Alright, let's try it again. Okay guys, for this mod you're going to want obviously a ZJ gas tank skid. I also opted to use brand new nut strips as well as brand new hardware. So go ahead and grab those, and then you're also going to need various sizes and drills. I used a drill set I got from Harbor Freight and stepped up, and then I also used the step up bits that Harbor Freight sells to bore out the holes to the right size. One thing I ran into at the end of this mod was that the exhaust was really close to the gas tank skid and the shackle. So I did make a bracket that kept the exhaust centered. It's pretty solid in there now and won't hit either the gas tank skid or the shackle. I'm going to start the tedious task of figuring out which holes for the ZJ. I think it was there's one hole on the ZJ skid plate that you can retain, the rest you have to drill. But that's also why I'm going to use the nut strips as a template. So at least now I have a bolt pattern and for drilling the ZJ skid plate, as well as I gotta go get some grade 8 hardware. So driver's side, this is the rear of the vehicle and we're looking at the driver's side. This hole looks like it lines up. This one we're going to have to cut out. There's another hole somewhere here, and then this one is off ever so slightly. So what I'm going to do is use the nut strips as guides. Even if it's a little bit big, I can always use washers. So let's test it out. So here's what I got so far. I'm just going to run these parallel, it looks like. So this one is good. I'll draw this one. I'll use a Sharpie, silver Sharpie. Pop those through and egg them out. Alright, so I've successfully got these out, all but this one. This one ran a little close to this one, or this other existing hole, and egged out. I was able to get a little bit of play, but not what these have. These are ideal. It's probably about 1/8 of an inch either way, so I have a 1/4 inch left or right if needed. I hope that's enough. You can see I got all 4 bolts into the tank, and I have 5 bolts total. So I have the one farthest forward, and there's a little space, and then there's 3. 1, 2, 3. So there is a small gap there for any type of impact. You don't want the plate right against the gas tank. Okay guys, that's it. 6 holes to drill, 8 bolts, and now you have yourself a gas tank skid. Now if you like what you've seen, please thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below.